Today we're going to look at the housing investigation. You plan to borrow $289,900, which is the current St. Louis Park median home price, to purchase a new home. The investment must be paid off in 30 years, but monthly, so 360 months. The bank charges an annual interest rate of 4.36%, compounded monthly. So I just looked up this mortgage rate, a few days ago. So this is the current rate now of a 30-year loan, average rate. So today we're going to look at this house right here that I found in St. Louis Park that is for sale in our price range. Take a little tour of the house here. You can see it has nice hardwood floors, updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, updated bathroom with tile, a finished upstairs and a basement with an area for laundry right here. Oh, and two wash bins here for your sink. 2-car garage and a shed with a fenced-in yard and a little patio. All right, so we're going to take a look at this house today and how much it would cost us per month to pay for this house. So actually we can use our calculator to figure out if we know certain information. So the information that we need to know is number of payments. N is number of payments, and again, if we're taking out a 30-year loan, paying it off every month, that's 360 payments we would make. The interest rate that I found for us was 4.36%. The loan amount that we need to take out is $289,900. We don't know the monthly payment yet. We're going to try to figure that out. The future value, we want to pay everything off, so it's 0. Payments per year will be 12. So we're going to type all of this information into our calculator. Just open a calculator page, go to menu. There's this finance solver we're going to use and type everything in. So again, 360 months at 4.36%. The house is $289,900. We don't know the payment. The future value is 0. So it'll be 12, and then you have to kind of arrow back up to this right here and hit enter to calculate payment. So this is saying per month, the cost of our mortgage would be $1,444.86. So let's write that down right here on the second page. So it says, what is your monthly payment? And I said $1,444, I think it was. I better double check. Yep, and 86 cents. Write a recursive formula that represents the amount of mortgage over time. All right, so the starting value of our mortgage is $289,900. And the recursive rule for that would be for any month, we have to take the amount that we owe the month before. We're going to add interest to that. Our 4.36% interest, but it's compounded monthly, so we do divide that by 12. All right, so this will be the amount we owe plus the interest every month, the amount we owe plus the interest. But then we're going to make a payment, so minus our payment value here, and that'll be how much we owe after that current month. And here's our payment value, $1,444.86. How much do we actually pay for our home? Well, here's our monthly payment. And we're going to multiply that by how many months there are in 30 years. 360 months, so let's type that in. I'm just going to hit escape to get out of this. We'll type in our mortgage payment. So over time, the actual amount we pay in this house is over $520,000, $520,150. So let me write that down. That's a lot of money. $520,000, and I forgot already. $150. It's a lot of money for that house over the 30 years, especially taking into account how much the house originally cost. So if you take that $520,150 minus the $289,900, how much did we actually pay the bank? So let me calculate that. $520,150 minus $289,900. Here's how much the bank actually made off of us. So this all went towards the interest off of our loan, $230,250. That's almost doubling the price of the house. You can see how over time that 4.36% interest, it seems small, but over 30 years, we're paying almost double the price of the house. A household is cost burdened when 30% or more of its monthly gross income is deducted to the housing payment. So if 30% goes towards the mortgage, then you are cost burdened. Based on your monthly payment, how much would your monthly gross income need to be so you're not considered cost burden? All right, so if 30%, so 0.3 of what we make per month is that 144,486, so 30% of some amount is that, how much would we have to make per month? So I'm going to divide by 0.3. I'll do my calculator. 0.86 divided by 0.3. All right, so if I calculate that, then X, so our monthly income in order to afford this house and not be cost burden would have to be more than $4,816.20 per month. So you have to make more than this per month so that you're not cost burdened, so you can afford everything else, other expenses in your life, like food and gas and heat and clothing and electricity and so on. And how much does that translate to per year? What would your yearly salary have to be? So if we take that, 4816.2 times how many months there are in a year, this would have to be your yearly salary. So our yearly salary would have to be $57,794.40. If you could make this by yourself,
is my favorite teacher.
you could afford this house. You'd have to make almost $60,000 a year by yourself to make that, to afford that house. So in class, we're going to take a look at different interest rates because your interest rate can differ depending on your credit history and so on. And so if we take a look at that 4.36%, let's compare it to how much would you have to pay if you have 4.5% or 5.5% or 6.5% if you didn't have good credit. How much would your monthly payment have to be, total amount you pay in the minimum monthly gross income to avoid being cost burdened. So in class, we'll take some time to do the same thing that we did here, except with different amounts.